Hi, I'm Emily, and welcome to the Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel.
I'm Shifu JC, and I want to say thank you very much for supporting. We just got 4K subscriber the last week.
And without your support, we couldn't have hit our goal.
Today I got to present you Fight Like Snake.
And training at home.
It's beautiful.
Hope you have a little fun, my friend. So now let's start training. Let's go, Emily.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready, step back. Your right foot step back, and to make a box hand, snake hand, and go low. First stance. And movement number one, you stand up and step your left. And you go block by your left hand and your right hand and go attack, front straight. And number three, you step your right and your right hand and go block, and your left hand go attack. Like you're blocking. So one technique you need to pay attention, so your hand not go straight this way and actually like snake hide. So your hand go a little bit towards yin like this. I mean, you can punch me, so you go punch. So I can really just block this way, and then you can quickly to block, and you can attack this way, right? Okay, let's do from the movement number one until number 5. Okay, let's go. And get ready, style back, make snake hand. And number 1, you step and block. And number 2, and number 3, you step right and block. And number 4, go attack. Number 5, leave your left knee and lunge. Become first stance on your both hand, down cross to block. The movement number 5 is blocking movement. So you both hand from the top and you go down and cross and you go press down. So this is blocking movement. If someone go kick you, you go to block down. Okay, Emily, can you kick me? Go kick. Go. Right, my friend, good work. Let's start movement number 1 until number 6 and number 7. Right, to get ready. Step back. And go 1 block. And 2 attack. And number 3, go block. And number 4, go attack. And number 5, you lift and go block. And number 6, your movement, both hand from your right wrist and twist to left side and double snake hand. And go down all the way and your right hand go up and left hand go down, double snake hand. That's looking great. Alright, so hi my friend. So this one is very good for self-defense. Someone kicked you, so you go double snake hand to lock, to get the leg right between your hand locked, and to go down and throw them and to other side. Boom! So you can use your snake hand to lock, or you can lock this way, and then you go down this way, all the way, and then you can make double snake hand just right there. Right, to get ready. Go. 1, and go 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7. Alright, so number 8, you stand up and you move your leg and also your both hand. Block. Like this hand, right? And after you make an inside kick, you go high and kick down and you leg back this way, and you go down and just quick roll and you go attack. This is number 10, the last move of snake kung fu. Alright, so get up. Okay, me, that's really fun. Okay, that is great form. I love so much the snake hand kung fu form. Emily, go punch me. So you go. So this is the block, just like you do number 8. Okay, punch again. So you go. And you quick block, and then you grab it, right? And then you got to make a kick. So I got to go kick, boom, right there. Great. So you say my left hand hold her hand, and then you just twist. Once you roll to this side, as she must go down and go, right? So once she's on the floor, and right left leg can really kick down with her, and you say the left hand right here, right? So do my hand, look at the wrist and kick the chest. Wow, the best. Yeah, this is the best, right? So the snake is one of the best animal kung fu style.
The reason why the snake can be so good is because your snake head can be as sharp as a knife. It could hit someone's throat and their eyes.
Yes, exactly right. This is need daily training, hard working, and to become the real snake kung fu.
Don't forget about our next snake video, which will include snake warm-up, snake stretching, and snake conditioning to make your snake kung fu the best.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button.
Never miss our next snake video.
Thank you very much. I love you all. I see you in next video. Bye bye. Ah, my baby.